Meaning of gamma rays.
Gamma rays.
Gamma rays.
Gamma rays.
Gamma rays. Gamma rays are a type of electromagnetic radiation that have the highest energy and shortest wavelength in the electromagnetic spectrum. They are produced by the decay of atomic nuclei or during nuclear reactions, and can also be emitted by highly energetic astronomical objects like pulsars and black holes. Gamma rays are commonly used in medical applications such as cancer treatment and imaging, as well as in industrial processes for detecting defects in metal components. However, exposure to high levels of gamma radiation can be harmful to human health and can cause genetic mutations and cancer.